Assalamu alaikum, dear audience and learners. How are you? Hope you are fit and fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. And I would like to thank you for watching the video and support me. I am walking along the riverside of my own village. It's Hairmara under Raipura sub-district in North Sindhi. Who are living for a long time abroad, they miss the scenery of the natural beauty of villages. Really, if anyone wants to get or enjoy the tranquility, the real tranquility, he or one has to visit villages in our country. The natural beauty of the villages is really amazing. Gentle breeze is blowing and the scenery is really green and attractive. I like it. Who live in the villages of our country, they are really lucky. They are really lucky because they can enjoy the natural beauty of the villages. When I feel bored, I visit the place. It gives me pleasure, real pleasure. I enjoy it. You can enjoy the natural beauty and tranquility of the villages. Who are not able to enjoy the natural beauty of the villages and who are living abroad, they can watch the video and feel your childhood memories. Some little children are coming here and they are playing here for a long time. It's their childhood, and it will be childhood memories in their future. Thank you for watching the video. Especially I have made the video for the immigrant. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.